Hola mis amigos, we're making beef and broccoli casserole. I have 2 cups of rice going over on the side, and meanwhile I am browning 2 pounds of ground beef, and then we will return when that is done. We are back, so now I'm going to carefully add in my very hot rice. Again, that was 2 cups of uncooked rice. And I just want to give this a head start by stirring it in with the ground beef. My pot is really full, but I accept the challenge. So next we're adding 12 ounces of broccoli florets, along with 2 10.5 ounce cans of condensed broccoli cheese soup, 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, along with 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and last but not least, 1 cup of half and half. And we're just going to get all of this nice and combined. We don't necessarily have to heat this through because again, we are going to be baking this, but I do have my stovetop on very low heat at the moment just to kind of keep everything nice and heated through. And you'll also want to make sure you've preheated your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Here I have a 13 by 9 inch baking dish that has been sprayed with cooking spray, and we're just going to add the contents of our pot directly into it. And next we're going to top this with about a cup of sharp cheddar cheese. I do wish I had added some of the cheese directly into the mixture, but we should be okay because we do have that broccoli cheese soup. So last but not least, for our topping, here I have 1/4 of a cup of melted butter, and to that I'm adding 1 cup of plain breadcrumbs. And I'm just going to get this nice and combined to make sort of a little crumble topping to put over the casserole. Now we're just going to sprinkle our breaded topping, and then we're going to cover this and bake this again at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, and then we will return. That went for 30 minutes, so now I'm going to place it back into the oven uncovered for an additional 10 minutes, and then we will be good to go to enjoy. Beef and broccoli casserole. Enjoy, and I'll see you at the dinner table.